Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetrading.system.com, making this small video to show today's trades, what happened today, and we all know that what happened over the weekend, right, in the Middle East. So after that, I was expecting some big reaction. So let's talk about it and then see how many trades I got. So I made few charts earlier. This is, let me show you, this is one of them, Euro Yen, and this is on the 21st, which was Saturday. The market was closed, right? So I prepared this um, chart, 40 minute for direction, right? And then I take my entries from either 7 minute or 20 minute, whichever comes first, or even sometimes both, right? So what happened to this chart? I made it that we're gonna go up first to the upside, 68.93, and then drop. So I was looking for long, and since it is a continuation, then I was looking for a 20-minute long. And what happened? Did I get that? Yes, I get that 20-minute long. This EA, my expert advisor, took the trade. You can see the arrow, by the book. This is the expert advisor. It opens the trade automatically and plays the SL, 25 pip SL, and TP is always open. I keep it open so I can close myself manually. So this is a 125 pip trade. Another chart that I made over the weekend was this pound yen 40-minute chart, and I said it's gonna go up here, 97.20, or even higher to this area and then drop. So I was looking for long continuation, 20-minute, and then 7 minute, right? So then what happened? I got the first entry on this one from 20-minute chart right there. This is the entry on the 23rd by the book entry and for 150 pip, as well as we got the later on I got this one. See this wobble here? This is a 7 minute entry. So we got that one as well, and that is looking like this. See this entry here? Beautiful entry taken by the EA, and then all the way on. The EA, the name is different because 7 minute has slight change in calculation. Which is, the setting is different than the 20-minute chart, right? So like 15-minute and 5 minute difference, that's how it is. So I just named differently so I can use them properly, right? So this is what happened to these two charts. Similarly, I made the USD yen chart, but somehow I lost the before chart. I don't know where it is. I can't find it, but I had the trade, long trade on USD yen as well. And you can see here that this is the entry, 100 pip to the upside. Now, when it went up there, I made another chart on this one, like this, that this is going to go from here to here to 47.71 early in the morning today. And this went up and then came down. Look at that. Let me show you the chart. This is exactly what happened. It went up, hit the 47.71, and this is how it is. This area, and right there, I just recorded the chart a little while ago. So this is what happened to this one, and let me show you all together all the trades, all the other trades that happened. So starting from, let me see. Whoops, what the heck happened here? Yeah, so this one. This is the entry Sunday when the market opens up, but this entry was from last Friday. So USD yen 95 pip I closed on Sunday. This is 22nd Sunday as well. Euro Aussie went up nice and clean, and this is actually this is 22nd I said, but late 22nd, late Sunday night, which was almost like 23rd actually starting. So I closed there. 90, right? And this is pound Aussie. Beautiful entry here. This was also the entry, but I lost 5 pip here and then it went down. And now, again, after that, it gave me another entry for 150 pip to the upside. This one I just showed you for 100 pip. This is, you all saw already, 125. This pound yen, 150. Another pound yen from 7-minute chart for 115. And I had some others, CAD yen for 70 pip, right? I didn't have the before chart made for this one, but I got the entry anyway. But yen index going up, it takes all yen pair to the upside. So you get the entries in all yen pairs. And then gold going to the upside for 125. So these are like 9 trades so far today I closed in this one day. So how many pips you can calculate, right? Yeah, of course, there are like 250 or 300 pip in SL hit loss, right? So if I make like 1,000 pip and then lose 300, or maybe if I'm making like 700 pip and then lose 300, and I still have 400, 500 pip in one day, right? So this is the system. But how do I get all of these trades? It is based on all the knowledge that I accumulate over the over the like years, it's like 14 years now, right? So I prepare a course on, which is, let me go on my website, see here, see this one-on-one coaching. Now, this one-on-one coaching is 10-hour course over the Zoom, right? I do have a 5-hour course, but this is intense and complete, where you learn trend line, harmonic patterns, channel, how to make the channels, SNR levels, Elliott wave, and learn about the Fibonacci, the retracement, the extension, the expansion, how to use properly, right? All of that, right? So this is, and then you become master of this whole business, right? So now this is, you can sign up for that. And I also have on my website, it says here combo deals, right? Let me show you quickly what are they. So this combo one, including one-on-one 5-hour course, and then I have video course, Elliott wave course, harmonic course, right? And my auto trading robot, right? Which is for 1 year, which is the one that opens the trade here. You can see so this trade is open because of this EA here, expert advisor. It opens the trade, place the SL right here, 25 pip, hard SL, always 25 pip, and then target you can set, or you can leave it open. I always leave it open because I know where the heck this thing is going based on the daily range and all of that. So I teach that as well in my one-on-one, how to keep the trade open for the max amount of pips, right? So you see, this is, I close on 100 pip, but this one is 150 pip. Why? Right? Why didn't I close this one for 100? That's the question, right? So if you learn that, you can do the same, right? This is how it is. So you can get that. Combo one has these things. Combo two has this one, Elliott wave course, harmonic course, and that robot, right? And the combo three have this. Right? If you get this one, you don't get my system, but you know how these things work, and then you can use the knowledge. This one, and then if you have your own system, whatever. Right? Combo three has everything: one-on-one, Elliott wave, harmonic pattern, that robot, CTS 5 or 6, lifetime signal service that I have, whichever I have, and however it is. And then there is another system. It's called NASDAQ system. You get that as well here. Now, what I'm doing in this video, I'm going to offer, if you sign up for one-on-one 10-hour course, or get any of these, combo one, combo two, or combo three, any one of these 4 things, then you get my combo 4 for free, right? And it will be only for a few days, so take advantage of that quickly. This combo 4, you get this USD Yen Momentum EA for MT5, which is the new product that we made. Omar made this EA, and it's doing perfectly fine. Bitcoin Momentum, it is still in the forward testing right now, too early. But yeah, it is also there, right? So these both are like 500 each. You both get, you get both together, it was like 800. But if, like I said, if you get any of these combo 1, 2, or 3, or sign up for one-on-one, you will get these, both of these for free. This combo 4 I'll give you for free. Let me show you this USD Yen, which is also it's open for almost a month, forward testing. Let me show you. So this is the page you can read, and this is all back testing. You can see the graph here and the numbers, back testing again, right? And this is all back testing. But for 3-week performance, forward testing is in this video. You can see here, Omar made the video, and the results are here. And you can see it for yourself that how it is working. This one is for MT5, and it is hands-free. Means you don't have to do anything. You just need a proper account with a specific broker. That's all. So if you're interested, then we will let you know what it is or what not, and see if you can use it or not, right? So you can email us if you're really interested in this, any one of them. So like I said, the one-on-one or one, combo 2, combo 3, if you get that, those any one of those, you get the combo 4 for free. USD Yen and Bitcoin EA for MT5, you'll get it. They are very, very good, powerful EAs, expert advisor robot, right? You get that. So just wanted to share with you guys that what was the performance today, and we're getting ready for tomorrow. And I'm going to make new charts. It's a lot of, like, for example, this pound yen. It dropped a little bit. It didn't drop yet, but this is the current chart now that's probably going to drop from here. Euro yen is probably, it's already, I made this chart and then see that this much is already dropping. But now it's almost like a 4 o'clock slow time. So maybe Tokyo open and then it will come down here, right? So let's see what happens. So yeah, all of these, for example, pound USD is supposed to go up. Look at that. I made the chart. It was here when I made the chart. That's going to go up, and it is already there, right? So this is how powerful this system is. All you have to do is to take it and take advantage and learn. If you learn, you become master of this, and then you can rinse, repeat every single day. This was a good trade, coming down, going up, coming down, then going up. I'll teach you that how to judge this and how to open the trades from 20 minute or 7 minute. I have written here everything. You take, and after you get the reversal candle, which is right there, and then a blue candle show that you have a reversal already in place, and wait for 7 minute entry, which comes here, and 20 minute entry is about to come here. Okay, so this is how it is. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later, and wish you all the best, and let's see how the rest of the week goes. Okay, speak to you guys soon.